Want to see some fun?
See.
Look.
Hello.
Jim, what are you looking for?
Passwords are locked. To unlock passwords, enter the password for the user. You know, I just...
Deep in the archives and the sketchy little books of secrets.
Yeah, I don't know. I just
What do you
don't...
mean? You have a booklet, I know. Oh, your passwords.
I'm not going to have you... You're not going to tape my book with all my addresses.
The Captain Kidd's treasure
Yes.
is about to be
Given away.
documented. From memory, back in COVID 2020, Jim said, "There's a password. I'm not gonna give it to you, but let's give it a lock." Here we go.
It's oatmeal
Here it is. It's
for
locked.
bird
See that?
troubles.
Let's see if this works. Fingers crossed. Here we go. Gotta get this finger pressing it down. There you go. Ready? Capture that. Edit that. And here you go. Okay. Maybe miss that. Let's see. We're in.
How come the first one didn't work?
I must have fat fingers.
My partner in crime.
I'll do it.
You're not going to do it with that. You're not going to do it with that.
We're getting some really fun footage. Wait till he edits.
Well, come on. We're just getting it's just Wi-Fi password.
The hunt for the Wi-Fi password.
We're just looking for the router.
I will be your partner.
I
Okay,
do
so
not
then
want-
one of those has gotta be it.
I'm going to go get some water.
Yes, sir. After 30 minutes of hunting, the passcode was all along next to the router. It was all written down right there next to the router. So
don't write your passwords and put them right next to your...
sometimes the simple things are right in front of your face.
Hide your passwords.
Now we're gonna scan this wonderful device. We're gonna put it on an attic next to the window.
There it is.
Window up there.
There is, Jim, there's 2 windows up there.
I knew that, but I didn't know if you knew that.
Oh, of course I knew that. You could see them. Exciting. We're making progress. Building the legacy.
So first plug in power, then connect to hotspot, and then
and then and then
and then
and then and then
and then
and then
and then wait for computating,
and then
it didn't do anything. What did it do?
and then here we go. Shoot it again. Okay. Connected to Helium hotspot.
So you have to get up to the attic. Is that correct?
Well, Jim, you win. I'll show you.
I lose this whole nonsense.
Picture, Jim.
Huh?
Wow, look at you in the bow tie. Wow.
1974.
You haven't aged a minute.
God,
I get this adventure.
So we're looking for more treasures.
More treasures, more skeletons upstairs.
Oh God, bless you.
Bless your skeletons.
I don't know why this person thinks he has to have everything on the video.
So this whole thing, you're just moving boxes because
you need to get up the steps.
the stairs
All right.
go to the
All right.
spooky
No,
attic.
stand back.
Where's the attic?
Way. Now watch for the
You
wires.
gotta get
down
this.
on-
Get this registering hotspot. Get that real quick.
Watch out for the wires. You need your shoes.
No, thank you. Wow. Here, go on an adventure. You gotta get this. Bye bye. I am gonna move in here and be the roommate.
You
The
can.
Shakespearean roommate right here, free of rent.
You can, right?
Pull out the sleeping bag.
Free of rent, you guys.
Jim has slipped up there. Like the concept.
Oh, this is so nice. I could slip up here. I do need to be somewhere for 1 week.
Oh my God.
Okay, this is wonderful.
Now you know where to go.
Now you know where to go.
Trying to see if this goes. See if I press it 3 times over here, it will turn and look at you.
Ah, it's a red light
Oh,
district.
it's the little
Filming
eyeball.
my crotch. What's wrong with you?
No, it's right here, the eyeball. Filming it's just, and this is Jim's dick. Now, there's a picture of Jim. Oh my God!
You chose to walk up there.
We're in business.
Let's see if it's possible. These look like sturdy stairs.
They are sturdy, but they are dangerous.
I would imagine.
Imagine that poor woman
You want to grab
going
the
up
miner
that.
before you come up?
Unplug it. Oh, look. Well, here it is. The Wi-Fi up here is pretty good. See that? And there's a plug right over here. Let me show you.
And there's a plug right over here. No, sir.
Because there's a plug up here.
Look at this, man. It's just,
Isn't this great space?
it's a whole freaking room up
free
here.
of rent.
I mean, I thought this
I'll
was
give you crackers and cheese, Jim.
Yeah, of course.
And I'll give you all the... I'm just kidding, Jim. I have a place to live. But just acting
It doesn't
up.
matter to me. I mean, you could.
I'm just acting
I
up.
just wouldn't allow the whole week. 1 or 2 nights would be great. Oh, yeah. Oh,
I thought Mikey didn't like this little bit parts.
didn't like what?
Little bit parts.
He will take it if it pays.
Oh.
He will disguise himself, whatever. But if he can get a major role or a larger role, of course, anybody would be happy to do that.
Great.
So what do you think?
And we are the only 4 miners here in this pentagon, which is great. Hexagon. We're the 4th one. And one of them is down, so there's technically 3. And the reception is 100%. It's a perfect one.
It's a 100%
It's a
reception.
1, yeah.
Worth it.
So now, because it's a 1, the next follow-up would be to get the antenna on the side of the house without just making it simple. So it could clear the roof, because right now the wall is blocking. You saw it. It's kind of being blocked.
Right, it's pointing up valley.
Yeah, and it's pointing into the mountain. So the reception here is not too good, actually. Even though it's a 1, we're surrounded by mountains.
It's got to be line of sight with some of these other things.
We're admiring.
It is a hexagon. Abundant citron tadpole. Awesome.